There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop in Reactor Blue. With HID headlamps, sport suspension, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black BREMBO brakes, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, heated rear seating, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7395.